Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace a battery on the Huawei P30 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Here, we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cup pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, remove the brackets and the shield by undoing 10 screws on the board. Next, take out the board's main bracket, left bracket and fingerprint connector shield from the board. Next, unplug the battery and fingerprint connectors from the board. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull them by the side tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place a new battery and paste the adhesive back. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery connectors to the logic board. Next, place the fingerprint shield and two brackets on the logic board by securing 10 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or use double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.